Hi all, this is VC from VC's Academy. In today's class, we will discuss about the activity making of curd and bread, which is of chapter 2, class 8, CBSE, microorganisms, friend and foe. Coming to the concept, milk is turned into curd by bacteria. So how milk is turned into curd? Milk is turned into curd by the action of bacteria. Curd contains several microorganisms. If we observe curd, it contains several microorganisms. And the bacterium Lactobacillus promotes the formation of curd. So which bacteria helps in promotion and formation of curd? Lactobacillus. The bacterium Lactobacillus helps in promoting and the formation of curd. It multiplies in milk and converts it into curd. So how it converts it into curd? It multiplies itself in the milk and converts it into curd. Bacteria are also involved in making cheese, pickles and many other food items. Not only helpful in curd, but bacteria are also involved in making of cheese, pickles and many other food items. An important ingredient of rava idlis, that is suji idli and batura, is curd. Generally, moms prepare rava idlis. In that, they use an ingredient which is curd. Bacteria and yeast are helpful for fermentation of rice idlis and dosa batter. So not only curd and cheese, pickles, but bacteria is helpful in fermentation of rice idlis and dosa batter. Not only bacteria, but yeast is also helpful in fermentation processes of rice idlis and dosa batter. So coming to the action of yeast, up to now we have studied about the lactobacillus, which helps in promotion of formation of curd. It multiplies in the milk and converts the milk into curd, and it is helpful in making of cheese, pickles and many other food items. Now we will see about yeast. Coming to the yeast, there is an activity in the class 8, that is action of yeast on maida dough. What is the activity? Activity which shows about the impact of yeast on maida dough. How yeast will act on maida dough? This can be understood by a simple experiment or small activity. So for this activity we need flour, sugar and warm water. Flour, it could be of wheat atta or maida. So how much we have to take? We have to take half kg and some quantity of sugar along with warm water. We call it as lukewarm water. So how to prepare it? Add a small amount of yeast powder and need to make soft dough. So take half kg of flour and add some sugar and mix with lukewarm water, and now we add small quantity or small amount of yeast powder into it and knead it properly. So our moms will prepare with the hand itself. So and then we can prepare it a soft dough, as we can see it in the image how the dough is made. And then because of the action of yeast, it reproduces rapidly and produces carbon dioxide during respiration process, and then bubbles of the gas will fill the dough and increase its volume. So generally we will ask a question that how the kneaded dough increases. So by the action of yeast, and it reproduces rapidly and produces carbon dioxide, the bubbles are formed, and the gas bubbles which are released by the gas carbon dioxide will fill the dough and increase its volume. So that is the reason why when moms will prepare the dough, it will be of half of the length of the tub or the vessel which is taken. But by the next day, if you observe, it will be raised and the lid which is closer to the vessel will lift to up to a certain level. This is the basis of the use of yeast in baking industry for making breads, pastries and cakes. So as I mentioned that yeast is helpful in making of not only fermentation, here we can see making of breads, pastries and cakes also yeast is used. By this activity, we can understand the impact of yeast on maida dough, which is helpful for making bread, pastries and cakes. Once again, so in this activity what we want half kg flour, which is of either atta or maida, and then we need sugar and warm water. Lukewarm water is preferred, not very hot water or very cold water. Lukewarm water is prepared. Not only here, in preparation of curd also we have to take care that milk is lukewarm, otherwise there will be no action of bacteria in it. So high temperatures will kill the bacteria. So it is advised that taking lukewarm is good for the action of microorganisms, and the quantities are taken and mixed with sugar and water, and finally we will add some amount of yeast powder, and we will need it to make a soft dough. Reproduces rapidly and produces CO2 during respiration. The gas bubbles are produced and these gas bubbles are filled in the dough and it increases its volume. This is the basis for the use of yeast in baking industry and making breads, pastries and cakes. That's all for today's class. I hope you all understood the activities related to making of curd and making of maida dough with the help of yeast. Thank you.